सेहत है तो सब कुछ है.
On 27 February 2020, person, that is People for Education Research Scholarship and Outward Nutrition and Asia Today Research and Media organized the country's most authoritative summit and awards for the healthcare industry, the Asia Healthcare Summit and Awards 2020 at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. The event commenced with a panel discussion which was headed by Dr. S.A. Anand.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us all the dignitaries on the stage, and from here I would like to ask Dr. S.A. Anand to take it forward. Sir, over to you.
So we'll start now. So at first, I would like all of you to introduce yourself in just 30 seconds.
Okay.
Talking about yourself, the most important thing about yourself, which makes you more valuable and which makes you very powerful.
Thank you, sir. It's Vijaya Jabakumar here, Principal, Sacred Heart School, Moga, Punjab. I feel I make an impact on my students and I make their day too, because I begin the day with a smile, as he said. So we are shaping the future of our country. So I believe that God has given us a very, very noble profession. And at most I'll say it's a passion for me, and it runs from my parents. So I take it as an honor that we have been doing it for the past 49 years.
Yes.
This is Manjari Singh from Orion EduTech Private Limited. I want to help people. So in this regard, we help students to upgrade themselves in terms of their professional training or related to abroad education. So I help in this.
Yes, ma'am.
So my name is Tamali Singh. One very important thing I think which every professional should do and learn and also encourage others is you have to be yourself where you are. That's very important. Like it's everybody, all of us have a family and all of us work. Now the impact of one side of our life cannot fall on the other side of our life. That's very important.
So I would like to congratulate Asia Today for organizing such a wonderful event. The generations are changing, students are more updated than us, and many times we feel that even faculties do learn from the students. So we need to adopt a lot of changing pedagogy where we can deliver quality education and fulfill the expectations of the students. Thank you.
Right.
I'm from a mining background. I'm from an industry background. So there's a lot more for me to learn than to give, actually, to be very frank. One thing that I'd like to share with you that we have done more recently, in the last 10 months, in the city of Ranchi, like any other city in this country, there are these pink auto rickshaws. So we went across to them and asked these ladies there, would you like to drive a truck? And they said, what do you mean? That's a 10-tonner truck that moves around in this city. So no, not that. We're talking about a 270-ton truck, which is used in the mines. 13, 14 of them went back, talked to their husbands, talked to their parents, and came back and said, yes, we'd like to do that.
If you have seen the spiritual people, these people, they are very clever, they are very intelligent when they use their language pattern. What is language pattern? They will never use the word I'll perhaps, probably, maybe. They will never use, they will say, I am sure about it. They'll say, definitely, absolutely. So I will request all of you, if you are sure about it, if you have a conviction and determination and absolute belief about that something you can do it, you have to say with a sense of absolute surety that yes, I will do this.
The chief guests of the event were Srimati Menka Gandhi, Srimati Jaya Prada, Shri Ramdas Bandhu Athavale, Shri Avinash Rai Khanna, Shri Pratap Chandra Sarangi, and Shri Sunil Bharala. The award ceremony started with the lighting of the traditional lamp. Here's what the nominees had to say.
I'm Dr. Anjali Gupta, obstetrician and gynecologist from Meerut. I have been nominated as the best gynecologist and obstetrician from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh.
Congratulate these organizers which they have been conducting this, and this is very important to the healthcare organizations which will encourage and do it more and more, and I think it's a pleasure to be here today.
To congratulate these organizers, because with these awards the people like us from far away from main cities, we are working in tertiary area and tertiary care centers. We are giving education to the public for the awareness on non-communicable diseases and basic life support skills and first aid skills, so that the people can be aware of these awards and as well as aware of them to avoid any unnecessary health problems to them.
I am nominated for in the field of nephrology. I belong to the second generation nephrologist in the country, and I was the founder nephrologist in Pondicherry, and was the founder nephrologist to start actually programs like maintenance hemodialysis and then transplant in Pondicherry.
I'm Dr. Binoy John. I'm a senior consultant interventional cardiologist from Chennai. I've been nominated as best interventional cardiologist of Tamil Nadu. I'm Dr. Vishnu Prasad Panigarai, Chief Executive Officer of Kalinga Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar. We have been nominated for the most innovative hospital in India, and we belong to an ecosystem called the KIT, the Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology. It's a university. We have around nearly 10,000 plus students. There is KISS, which has around 28,000 tribal students studying there. And we've come a long way over the last decade and a half.
मैं डॉक्टर शिवाकांत मिश्रा, मैं एक लैप्रोस्कोपिक जनरल सर्जन हूँ और कानपुर को बिलोंग करता हूँ। अवार्ड्स तो हमेशा अच्छे लगते हैं, आप बचपन से अवार्ड्स लेते आए हैं, लेकिन एक अवार्ड मैं डेडिकेट करता हूँ अपने उन मरीजों को जो हमेशा बहुत बीमारियों से पीड़ित थे, हमारे पास आए और एक लैप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी के द्वारा वो बहुत जल्दी ठीक होकर के अपने पास गए।
My name is Dr. Sanjay Sharma. We run an organization called Food Secure, and Food Secure has been nominated as the best podiatry clinics in India.
Hello, I am Dr. Ashish Gautam, Senior Consultant in the Head Department of Bariatric Minimal Access and Gastrointestinal Surgery, Yashoda Super Specialty Hospital, Ghaziabad. I thanks organizer for nominating me as the most trusted bariatric and gastrointestinal surgeon of Delhi and NCR.
मैं डॉक्टर सुरेश कटोर, डायरेक्टर गीता हॉस्पिटल एंड रिसर्च सेंटर बड़नगर से हूँ। एशिया हेल्थ केयर समिट में आई एम नॉमिनेटेड बेस्ट हेल्थ केयर प्रॉमिसिंग सेंटर ऑफ द ईयर इंडिया रूरल.
I am Dr. Gaurav Gupta Biswari from Jhansi. I am nominated in the category of Best Dental and Facial Surgeon of Bundelkhand, and basically I am a facial and onco surgeon. मैं एशिया टुडे ग्रुप को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. थैंक यू.
Asia Healthcare Awards aims to facilitate organizations and individuals for their contributions to the industry by innovation for increased efficiency and improved performances of healthcare delivery at large.
Hi, I'm Pallavi Jain representing Krasna Diagnostics Private Limited, and I thank Asia One for organizing this event, and I really am very happy that Krasna Diagnostics Private Limited has got an acknowledgement as one of the best diagnostics and imaging centers for the year, and our dream to ensure that quality health services are reached at the most rural parts of India at affordable prices will definitely give us a motivation to work more with such kind of recognitions and acknowledgements. Thank you very much.
मैं एशिया टुडे को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। जवाहरलाल नेहरू कैंसर अस्पताल एवं अनुसंधान केंद्र भोपाल की ओर से जो उन्होंने मोस्ट इनोवेटिव कैंसर रिसर्च सेंटर ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड से नवाजा है।
I am Father Joy Kutur from Kerala. We are conducting a palliative hospital for bedridden patients. Those who are discharged from other hospitals, we are taken care of those patients in our hospital.
Hi, I'm Ritesh. I represent OMC Wellness and Diagnostic. I have Dr. Chauhan, Dr. Randeep Singh Chauhan and Dr. Ajay. We have started this diagnostic center with a very clear vision that we'll make it in a world-class facility where people from outside the India and within India gets a world-class services. We work a lot of work on the social responsibility and camp. We keep on doing the camps to educate people and do a free diagnostic.
नमस्ते, मैं डॉक्टर गणेश जवाहरलाल नेहरू कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में वरिष्ठ वैज्ञानिक हूँ और कैंसर जेनेटिक एक्सपर्ट हूँ। मैं मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ में एकमात्र विशेषज्ञ हूँ इस आनुवंशिक बीमारियों के लिए। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ एशिया टुडे का, आभार हूँ कि इन्होंने ये प्लेटफॉर्म जनरेट किया हम सब लोग को और मेरे को इनोवेशन रिसर्च के लिए अवार्ड किया है, खासकर मैं ऑन्कोजेनेटिक्स स्पेशलिस्ट धन्यवाद कहता हूँ।
So, I am Professor Anil Arora. I am Head of Department of Orthopedics and Joint Replacement, Max Hospital, Paparganj, and Professor Arora's Knee Surgery Clinic. I am a joint replacement specialist and I specialize in replacing knees and hips. My forte is computer-navigated knee replacement. I am very happy and proud to receive this recognition from this august organization as a best joint replacement icon of the year. The future seems to be bright. Thank you very, very much.
I am Dr. P. Sudhakar Rao from Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, ophthalmologist, practicing ophthalmologist. My aim was to prevent blindness in Rayalaseema area. At the outset, I thank India Today people for honoring me with this award and healthcare unit. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sumit Verma. I represent my company Sarvagun Aushadhi Private Limited, which actually manufactures the medicines for the manufactures the medicines for the 70 to 80% in the therapeutic classes, जो कि provide की जाती हैं on a very good quality and affordable prices के लिए. And I would like to thank you to the Asia Today Award for providing this opportunity.
Myself, Dr. Santosh Bishnoi. I am the consultant gynecologist at Santosh Hospital and Maternity Home, सिरसा हरियाणा. मैं एशिया टुडे के बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे बेस्ट गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ हरियाणा का खिताब दिया है और ये अवार्ड दिया है, उसके लिए मैं उनकी बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ.
Yeah, we have got this award from Asia Today for the best dental clinic in Rajasthan, and we really appreciate Asia Today for recognizing us and giving us this award.
The Healthcare Summit was a unique and a mega initiative. The idea of the summit was to discuss on how to create enough jobs for its graduates.
The purpose of education is simply to prepare us for the future. But our future changes from day to day to day, depending on our present. One of the things that has remained constant in India is our burgeoning population. And so, what do we do to train our children to face a population in which we are, I think, 16% of the world and getting more by the day? Two things. It is no longer good enough to simply have history, geography, social studies, English, Hindi, and the local language. You have to add two or three more things. One is every school and every education center should double up as a work teaching center. Every school must not just teach hobbies in the form of painting, singing, dancing as we grew up. Now it has to be, what can you do to prepare them for self-employment? The jobs are few and far between. So what can we teach them in which they will learn to educate, to get jobs as soon as they leave school? Would it not make sense to have one class, say twice a week or thrice a week, in which we teach children the 4-5 major religions? Can we not lay a future in which we can read the 5 main books? Maybe if you had even if you did story-wise, the Bhagavad, the Mahabharata, Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, It would be so, and you know, the main Jain literature, the main Bauddha literature, it would be so interesting. If some school can start that, I would be happy to stand on this stage some years from now and give them the best school award. The third thing is environmental management. None of environmental books are actually teaching us the economics of environment. But the fact is, how many trees do you need for one person to breathe? We need 600. How much does a dam cost us and how much does it save? What is the value of good air? How much does it cost us in health terms if we allow air to become polluted by something as ridiculous as firecrackers? Put that down in books and start teaching from the 6th standard onwards. You will be able to produce a completely different class of child, and a child that saves the world rather than follows what we have been doing in this last century, which has been truly destructive, and make it better. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. I congratulate you all again. Thank you.
The objective of the summit was to suggest policy framework for achieving global standards of healthcare across the country. Here's what the delegates had to say.
तो मतलब इंडिया में भी एजुकेशन को अच्छी तरह अपने को एजुकेशन बढ़ाना है, और एजुकेशन के बगैर मतलब हम अपनी प्रगति नहीं कर सकते हैं, अपने देश की प्रगति नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो एजुकेशन बहुत बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है, और आप लोग अलग अलग क्षेत्र में जो अपना स्कूल चला रहे हैं, कॉलेज चला रहे हैं, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज चला रहे हैं, मेडिकल कॉलेज चला रहे हैं, या अलग अलग फैकल्टी के कॉलेज आप चला रहे हैं, तो आप सभी लोगों को यहाँ अवार्ड मिला है। ये बहुत बड़ी गर्व की बात है। 20-21 के लिए दे दिया है। शिक्षा बहुत बड़ी इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, तो इसके लिए सरकार आपके साथ है। जब भी कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा, ज़रूर हमारे जो HRD मिनिस्ट्री है, रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक जो उसके मिनिस्टर हैं, उनके माध्यम से और नरेंद्र मोदी जी के माध्यम से हम आपको पूरा साथ देंगे।
तो लगभग 74% लोग हिंदुस्तान के अंदर आंकड़े में उसमें पढ़े लिखाए आते हैं, लेकिन वो आंकड़े में दिखाई दे रहे हैं। और प्रैक्टिकल अगर देखते हैं जाकर के, तो निश्चित रूप से फिर उस व्यवहारिकता का पता भी लगता है। जैसे 2 बातें हैं उसके साथ में जुड़कर। सरकारें बजट दे सकती हैं, उद्यमी बजट दे देंगे, बड़े लोग उस पर खर्च कर सकते हैं, विदेश भी यहाँ बहुत सारे NGO चला सकते हैं ला करके, लेकिन उसके साथ न्याय करना, फिर हम बजट तो ले गए, क्या हम उसको पूरी तरीके से सही तरीके से उसका उपयोग करते हैं? हम सही भी ना करें पूरा उपयोग उसका, हम 80% करते हैं क्या? 80 से भी नीचे आ जाए, हम 70 करते हैं क्या? 60% पे करते हैं क्या? हम 50 पे भी समझौता कर लेते हैं। अगर हम उस वर्ग में जो लोग निरक्षर हैं, जिनको आवश्यकता है शिक्षा की, क्या वो NGO की जिम्मेदारी नहीं बनती कि वो बजट को ले जाकर के हम कम से कम 50% उसमें सही खर्च कर दें, उसको ज्ञान दे जाकर के वहां पर जिनको आवश्यकता है? तो देश के अंदर अगर बजट की बात से ही होता है, या विद्यालयों के ही उसके ऊपर आत्मनिर्भर रह करके काम कर सकते हैं, तो निश्चित रूप से मेरा मानना यह है कि हम सब लोगों का एक प्रयास वर्तमान में बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है।
Students are properly nourished and given proper education, we cannot have any hope of prosperity. Now, the education of our country in many of the states are very much neglected, a very neglected subject. 5 teachers where 10 teachers are needed, 1 teacher where 5 teachers are needed. In spite of this Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, the situation has not very much changed. Please take some education and worldly education, history, science, literature, take a glove, go to the plough field where the workers, the laborers are working, and teach them. Teach them mathematics, teach them history, and he also was ready to provide them all these amenities. So now this time is much better than that. We are having our own independent government. We are having our own resources. No foreign power can suppress us. So we can develop our own policy of education.
The green trees, blue river. But unfortunately, why we are sitting here today, because आप सभी लोग वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने ये सीनरी बनानी तो सिखा दी, लेकिन उस सीनरी को बचाने के लिए क्या काम करने हैं, क्या एफर्ट करने हैं, ये हम भूल जाते हैं। और जो खूबसूरत पोर्ट्रेट आपके और मेरे दिलो दिमाग में है, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ये पोर्ट्रेट हर रोज हर दिन खोता जा रहा है, बिकॉज 1.9 बिलियन लीटर कचरा हर रोज गंगा में फेंक दिया जाता है। 7 बिलियन ट्रीज आर कट डाउन ईच ईयर फ्रॉम दिस वर्ल्ड। और अगर पानी की बात करूं तो 790 million people don't have access to clean drinking water yet. So this is the concern.
आदमी मनुष्य तो वही जो निजन में सृजन कर दे, ये सृजनात्मक विधा है। मनुष्य तो वही जो निजन में सृजन कर दे है, वही मनुष्य जो निराशा में आशा भर दे। निजन के सृजन में केमिस्ट्री का इक्वेशन है A+B=C+D रिवर्सिबल। निजन के सृजन में निराशा की आशा है, विवश के सामर्थ्य में मरण मृत्यु का है। इसलिए मनुष्य और मनुष्यता में अंतर है। यदि मनुष्य जड़ है तो चेतना संवेदना मनुष्यता है। पत्थरों को रास्ता पत्थर ने कब दिखाया, पत्थरों को रास्ता, और पत्थर ने कब रखा है पत्थरों से वास्ता। तब भी पत्थर के दर्द को जानता है पत्थर। प्यार का सीमेंट हो तो जुड़ जाता है। पत्थर के दर्द को जानता है पत्थर, पत्थर से जुड़ करके पत्थर तो हो जाता है पत्थर। ये आदमी ही है कि आदमियत से जुड़ता नहीं है। ये आदमी ही है कि आदमियत से जुड़ता नहीं है। पत्थर से भी अधिक पथरीला हो गया है आदमी। अभी अभी यहीं कहीं था, कहीं खो गया है आदमी। उस आदमियत की तलाश के लिए जो जो भी उपाय आप कर रहे हैं उसका अभिनंदन करते हुए, और सत्यनारायण की कथा का मैं 5वां अध्याय हूँ और इसलिए मैं अपनी कथा को यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ।
मूल मंत्र है कि एजुकेशन इज़ एवरीथिंग फॉर द ह्यूमन बीइंग। तो ये हम लोगों को आज इतने सारे प्रोविजंस है, और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी भी हमें एजुकेशन में बहुत कुछ उन्होंने योगदान दिया है कि बच्चे पढ़ना है, स्कूल जाना है, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ क्रिएट किए हैं। तो लगभग 900 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ अभी हमारे देश में हैं। तो और यहाँ से ना सही यहाँ पे बच्चे अभी पढ़ने के बाद भी अब्रॉड जाके कामयाबी होते हैं। तो उन सबको एक एजुकेशन का बेस बहुत ज़रूरी होती है, और एजुकेशन अगर नहीं है तो ज्ञान प्राप्त नहीं हो पाता है। टुडे व्हाट वी आर स्टैंडिंग टुडे, दिस इज़ द स्टेज which gives a message to this country कि education is very important, and healthcare of course. I feel today this summit has given us so much of a strong message to the society, because एज अ मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट मैंने जो 20 सेक्टर्स में जाके यूपी में जहाँ पे पढ़ने का एक सोच नहीं, एक विचार नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे भी हम लोग अभी इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहे हैं। एंड वेरी मच आई एम ऑल्सो इन एजुकेशनल फील्ड। वी हैव कॉलेजेस, वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन नाउ इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल इन रामपुर। सो दिस इज़ ऑल कनेक्टिविटी टू माई लाइफ ऑल्सो, वेयर इवन आई एम इन फिल्म्स बट आई एम ऑल्सो इन विद द एजुकेशन।
On the whole, Asia Healthcare Summit and Awards honors the doers and pioneers for the spectacular work in healthcare industry, featuring India's top doctors, clinics, hospitals, healthcare providers, nursing homes, medical devices, hospital equipment companies, diagnostic laboratories, medical educational institutions, nursing training centers, and health insurance companies. Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.